recently pulled the curtain off the much-awaited iPhone 12 lineup. The vanilla iPhone 12 has received good reviews this year because of its OLED display and similar camera performance as its Pro siblings. Gen NXT, the sole authorized distributor of Apple products in Nepal, is also gearing up to launch the much-anticipated iPhone 12 and 12 Pro in Nepal and is expected to launch in Nepal in December. Apple has brought its Pro display technology to the vanilla iPhone. The iPhone 12 features a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display. The flat OLED panel expands from edge to edge and has corners that follow a curved design. The display sports a total of 2532 x 1170 pixels, which is double that of the iPhone 11. It is protected by a new ceramic shield cover that promises up to 4 times better drop performance than iPhone 11. The technology, which has been developed in collaboration with Corning, introduces nano-ceramic crystals into the glass matrix that adds to the durability of the screen. In terms of performance, the iPhone 12 packs an A14 Bionic chipset as all other devices in the new lineup. It is the world's first smartphone chipset to be based on the 5nm process, and it was first introduced during the unveiling of the iPad Air 2020. It's a hexa-core chipset with 2 high-performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. The quad-core GPU has improved memory configuration. The company claims that their new chip is 50% faster, both in terms of CPU and GPU performance, compared to other competing chipsets. The camera setup on the new iPhone 12 features a wide camera and an ultra-wide camera. The two 12MP cameras may look unchanged from the iPhone 11, but Apple has made some changes. First, the wide camera has a wider aperture of f1.6. Compared to the f1.7 aperture on its predecessor, the new camera allows 27% more light to pass through. The difference will be evident while taking photos and videos in low light. Similarly, Apple has adopted a 7-elements lens in the wide camera. It also supports OIS. The 12MP ultra-wide offers a 120-degree of field of view. The iPhone 12 is likely to be available in Nepal for a price of around Rs. 130,000 for 64GB, Rs. 138,000 for the 128GB and Rs. 155,000 for the 256GB variant. We can expect the iPhone 12 to officially launch in Nepal by the end of November.